My name is Antonio De Marco. I'm assistant professor at the Department of Management and Production Engineering of Polytechnic Torino. My research is in the area of the economics of innovation and intellectual property, with a specific focus on markets for technology, patent data and technical standards. In this course, translators will learn the basics of intellectual property rights. So, why is intellectual property relevant when it comes to innovation management? Well, let me start with some stylized facts. Let's look at the companies that in the 70s were in the Fortune 500 list, the larger corporations in the United States. For those firms, more than 80% of the market value was associated to tangible assets, machinery, buildings, land and so on, while less than 20% derived from the so-called intangible assets. Now let's look again at the Fortune 500 list as it is today. The previous statistic would be reversed. Now 85% of the company value is associated to intangible assets, deriving mostly from investment in innovation. This evidence showed that firm competitiveness is strictly related to investment in continuous innovation and to the acquisition of the capabilities and competencies for managing innovative activities in the most effective way. Second, it also shows that competitive intelligence should pay extra attention to the sources of information related to innovative activities. Intellectual property rights include patents, trademarks, and copyrights. In this course, we will specifically focus on patents. The basic idea is that if you have invented a new product, process, or more in general, if you have a technical solution for a problem, you can file a patent application and ask for protection from imitation. As a patent owner, you will have the exclusive right to prevent others from exploiting commercially the patented invention or from patenting similar inventions. Patent rights allow the holder to exercise a monopoly, but the social cost of monopoly power may be offset by the social benefits of higher level of creative and innovative activity. In exchange for that, the inventor should disclose detailed technical information about the invention that eventually will become public after 18 months. Patent rights are also territorial rights, meaning that the exclusive right is only valid in the country in which the patent protection was filed. The protection is only valid for a limited period, which generally lasts 20 years from the application date. The number of patent applications that are filed globally is constantly increasing. In 2016, 3.1 million patent applications were filed globally. That is an 8% increase with respect to the previous year. Of those patent applications, almost 40% were filed at the Chinese Patent Office. And just 5 international offices, China, United States, Japan, Korea and the European Patent Office, received more than 80% of all patent applications worldwide. Patents are an essential tool for firms for several reasons. First, having a strong portfolio of patents is essential in order to achieve success in legal actions against those who copied the protected invention. Second, a high-quality patent portfolio can be seen by investors, customers and other stakeholders as a signal of the technology capabilities and competencies of the firm. Third, since patents can be sold or licensed to third parties, they can facilitate technology transfer. Finally, there is an additional way of using patent data. It is well known that about 80% of all information disclosed in patent documents is not available in other sources. In most of the industries, patent documents are a valuable source of information supporting management decisions. Firms can ascertain if their new inventions meet the requirements for patentability and extend their freedom to operate. They can monitor the innovation activities by identifying the key innovation trends, the key players and their IPR-related strategies. They can discover potential R&D partners, licensees or licensors. They can use quantitative data in patent documents to support the evaluation of R&D projects and other business decisions. The use of IPR can be tailored to different needs according to firm size. Not surprisingly, an effective management of patent rights is not only beneficial to large corporations. In fact, intangibles are embedded into every business, even those of small companies. Translators need to properly understand the specificities of the firm, the goals set by the stakeholders or the users that belong to the technical or to the management areas of the company. Thanks for the attention.